Hey guys, we are back for another Adventures by Kat. I'm out of breath because we just ran for the train. You guys want to take a breath with me? Inhale. Exhale. Amazing. Okay. Train is coming, as you can see. Okay, so we're going into Manhattan to see the Distant Worlds concert at Carnegie Hall. It's a Final Fantasy concert and we're so excited. Our train ride's about like an hour long. Like I said, we booked it. I have my breath back. And if I didn't mention it before, I think my dress is so suitable for the concert. And then Reggie is also rocking a Sephiroth t-shirt that he got in Tokyo at the Artia Cafe. So let me show you. Isn't it so cool? This is gonna be an awesome day. It's gonna be a hot day, but it's fun. We're gonna go on an awesome adventure, and then we have this really cool anime-inspired, Tokyo Village-inspired restaurant that we're gonna go to after. So let's go. Final Fan Fest.
It's the College Final Fan Festival.
Right. Welcome to me. Right. How should I tell you what entrance this is? I know. Which side do we go to now? Oh, here. Just to get a lay of the land. Thank you. I'm so excited. What should I try? I want to try the wasabi mayo. That's so pretty.
I'm so sorry. My head is getting stuffed.
And just like that, we're back home. We just got off the train. It was so hot in the city. I'm so happy to be back on Long Island. It's a nice breeze. And maybe get some dessert. Oh, and we'll go unbox Eric's music box when we get back to the house. The concert was also amazing. There was a lot of songs that I didn't know because I haven't played them yet, but Reggie was familiar with a lot of them. They did play One Winged Angel at the end, which is really cool as an encore. What else? They played Final Fantasy 16 right before that. Then before that, they played songs from Final Fantasy 9, which was really cool. And I really loved all the edits they did because they show you like clips from the games and things. And I really loved that. Oh, they did a Chocobo medley. So cute, so good. They started off with like an egg and then you could see the Chocobo grow. It was just so cute. And then they had like the Pixel Chocobo. It was just amazing. I really hope they release that video, or maybe it's out there, I don't know. So it's a few days later, probably about a week and a half later from when I saw Final Fantasy Distant Worlds, but I'm here to unbox what I got from there. Can you guys see it? So it's a music box and it plays Eric's theme. And I'm so excited. So let's unbox it. Okay, first layer off. The box is so pretty. Okay. Oh, it has tape on the sides. One moment. Uh-oh. This box cutter is always breaking. I need a new one. Okay, we'll just use this. Don't try this at home. Okay, now we should be able to open it. What does it look like? Oh, it's just paper. It's so pretty. Got little feet to sit. And it has this over here. Okay, I think let's take this paper off. Oh God, I can't with my nails. Okay, let's see if I can do this with my other box cutter. I think I got it. Okay, paper is coming off. I don't want it to start playing. I'm trying to get this paper off. Okay, off. Okay. Should we play? Oh, and it says Square Enix here. Wait, I gotta start from the beginning. It's so pretty. I feel like wherever I have this, I need to have like a vase with yellow flowers next to it. So pretty, I love it. I love it so much. Guys, well, thanks for watching and thanks for coming on this adventure with us to see Final Fantasy Distant Worlds. And don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified when new videos come up. and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Adios. I love how this song is still playing. Okay, bye.